Incorrectly installing pedals is the single biggest mistake made when someone is new to assembling bikes. But it's easy when you know how. To do this job, you will need a 15mm spanner or a small shifter. Pedals have a left and a right, clearly marked with a sticker and a stamp on the spindle. Be aware that the threads are different, so don't force them or you will cause damage. We recommend applying a small amount of grease to the thread before installing. The right-hand pedal has a standard thread, so it tightens up clockwise like normal. Use your fingers to find the thread and get it started before using your spanner. For reference, the chain is on the right-hand side of the bike. Repeat on the other side, aware that the left-hand pedal has a reverse thread, so will tighten in the opposite direction.